you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club for October. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. You guys. So again, the October 2023 boxes just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, you know I absolutely love this subscription. It is one of my favorites. I love the jewelry and the crystals and the meaning and everything behind it. It's just I just love this box. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one first, and then we will go over this one, and then I will go over all of the pricing. So this is how the box comes for the manifestation box. Ready to manifest your dreams? Yes. Manifest the life you want to live. Definitely. Now, when you open this up, it comes like this. These boxes are actually constructed well, so if you wanted to save them for storage or stuff like that, or organize things in them, you definitely could. There's always a nice little card right on top. There's always a sticker, which is always changed, and I love to see what it is. This one is a really pretty feather. Look at how pretty that is. So then when we remove the feather, there is a sneak peek to inside of the box. So with this manifestation box, you get a bracelet, you get a necklace, you get a healing crystal, you get 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep and one for you to gift if you would like, and you get your astrology with what we are working with for that month. So this one is jam-packed with a lot of stuff that's all custom for you. You tell them your zodiac sign, you tell them the length of your necklace and the your wrist size. So it's basically tailored just for you. So let's go ahead and go with the paperwork and stuff first. Then I will show you all of the jewelry and the crystals for this month. So this month it says honoring memories, coping with loss. So this month is all about helping us cope with loss. So you have this whole page right here that you can sit down and read to learn what we will be working with for this month. Then I have my October 2023 astrology for Scorpio, which is right there. Now we have, oh yes, I was gonna tell you guys this, so good thing she reminded me. They have a great deal right now, which is a limited offer. If you are interested, you get a free advent calendar. It says get your 26 days of gemstones. 26 days? Normally there's 25 or 24, but it says get your 26 days of gemstones and jewelry advent calendar complimentary with manifestation box yearly subscription. So right now, if you sign up for a year subscription, you're going to get the advent calendar completely free. She actually did send it to me last year to show you guys, and it was jam-packed with all kinds of stuff. It had regular like healing crystals, there was bracelets, necklaces, all kinds of stuff. So you would get it completely free if you sign up for a year subscription. So keep that in mind if you are thinking about it. Maybe now is the time so you can get that advent calendar completely free. Now we have the meditation cards. Again, there's always 2 of them. You can keep both of them. You can gift one as it's intended. You can do whatever you would like with them. But this is this month's, and it says grief is the price we pay for love. And sadly, that is so true. So let's go ahead and dive into the bracelet for this month. I'm always so excited to see which crystal is used for the month, and oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I don't know if I have anything quite like that, so I am loving it. Look at how beautiful that is. So it has this one like larger stone right here that's clear, and then you have all of these other ones that go around the bracelet. They're like a smaller size this month, and that is just so beautiful. And it looks like it's Udalite. I'm not quite sure how you say that name of that crystal, but a great thing is they always give you these cards. It has an image on there, so if you're ever like, what crystal is this? You can pretty much match it up with what it looks like, and then it'll tell you what it's for. So for example, this one has developed the nickname of the Stone of the Heartland due to its connection to the energies of unconditional love and its ability to root these loving energies into ourselves through thoughts, feelings, and manifestations. It is an uplifting and energizing heart stone. When you work with the energies of this stone, you are allowing yourself to accept and communicate love. Awesome. And again, they always have these cards. I keep them so you can use them as a reference at any given time. Oh, there's one more that was coming out. So it is. I was thinking that was clear quartz, but I didn't want to overstep and say the wrong thing. So yes, that is clear quartz. It is known as the master healer. I almost said something else. And will amplify energy and thought as well as the effect of other crystals. It absorbs, stores, releases, and regulates energy. Clear quartz stimulates the immune system and brings the body into balance. So that's a perfect combination to go on this one bracelet. Again, you tell them your wrist size when you sign up, so it'll be made tailored just for you. But oh my gosh, that is absolutely beautiful. And I love those colors because it's just like a combination of like a whitish color. There's like some dark grays, like a burgundies. There's like a whole lot of beautiful colors that are down inside of there. That is beautiful. And then you have your two cards for it. You always get these little bags. You can either store your jewelry in or you can use these for other things, but they're really pretty blue bags. I think one time I got a dark blue, but no, normally they're like this color right here. Now down inside of here is going to be the necklace and the healing crystal for this month. I just got thrown off because at first I thought maybe this was the wrap bracelet at first and they were mixed up, but there's this big old honking crystal that is down here, so it can't be. Then I'm like, okay, so this must be the necklace for this month. She now, I guess, has like these Gogh Jewelry stamped like put on here. That's awesome. So it has her logo on there. And then this is what the necklace is for this month. It's kind of weird that it does not match the bracelet. Normally they kind of like match each other. This month they do not match each other. And that is what that one looks like right there. Super, super pretty. Again, I thought it was a wrap bracelet at first. And the crystal on here is eagle eye. The eagle eye is one of nature's most stunning gems. This stone is especially helpful for those who have experienced trauma. Its energy inspires faith in one's own abilities and the belief that everything is possible with enough hard work. Yes, it is. And then the healing crystal that is in here is this big old chunk of selenite. Like, look at how thick and big that is. It's like bigger than my big old thumb. Selenite is one of the most important tools in any energy worker or crystal lover's arsenal. Through clearing energy blockages, selenite allows for liquid-like energy fluid. Its extremely high vibrations flood your energy fields with the highest vibrations of light. So then again, you have that to go with that. And there is the healing crystal, and it's nice and hefty, and it's a big piece of it too. That is awesome. So that is everything that came in the manifestation box for this month. You have this necklace, this bracelet, and this healing crystal, plus what we're working with, your astrology and the meditation cards. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for the manifestation box. Now let's go ahead and jump into the Mother Earth Wrap Club for October. This one, you don't get all of like the healing crystals, you do not get your astrology, what we're working with, any of that. This one is mainly just for the wrap bracelet, and then you get one small little gift that's a complete random surprise that you get in there, but it's mainly just for the wrap bracelet. So let's go ahead and pull everything out for this one. Down in here, they always give you like a paper to look over, and it has a lot more of their jewelry and everything. Look at how stunning. I just love all of their jewelry. The wraps, the regulars, everything. I like have them, I'm wearing them every single day. So yes. Then this one is completely different than any of the two that were inside of the manifestation box. Normally they kind of match, but this month everything is completely different. So this is the wrap bracelet for this month. Let me get it a little bit more together so you can see all of the different colors. This is more like fall tones where you have like some yellows, some like rusted colors, like browns, and then you have the little dangly ball right there. This one must be the Mookite. I don't know how to say that one right there, but that must be the same for this. And the gift for this one looks like here is going to be the same exact stone in a star shape. That is really neat. So for this stone, it says it has energies that enrich one's trust and love for Mother Earth and all of her beauty. One will find themselves more aware of nature and life around them, as well as developing a connection with all beings around us. Mukite grounds your mind, heart, and soul down to planetary level and helps one truly live in the moment. That's awesome. Like I said, the colors are really neat, definitely like fall. I'm just a little thrown off that it's not really matching with the others. So again, here's like the healing crystal that would be inside of this one, star-shaped, super, super cute. And then this would be the wrap bracelet. Again, you get to select the size at checkout, so it'll be sent to you for the size for your wrist. And there we go. So that is how it looks on. Super pretty. Again, super, super fall colors. So that is what we get for the Mother Earth wrap for October, is you have this wrap bracelet with this crystal. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for both the manifestation box and the Mother Earth Wrap Club for October. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of them? Did you like one of them versus the other? What do you think of the two completely different crystals that are in the manifestation box for the necklace and the bracelet versus the one for the wrap? Which one did you like better? What colors did you like better? Do you like them both? Definitely let me know. If you want a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 20% off your very first box or any of their shop items. You don't have to have a subscription. You can go to their shop at any time and purchase any of their individual items, all of their bracelets, their necklaces. They have keychains, healing crystals. You can get the advent calendar on its own. They have anklets. They have so many different things readily available on their website. They even have like some bundles where there'll be like 3 or 4 bracelets together to save you some money. So if you want to check them out, they will all be linked down below. And again, SheCrafty will save you 20% off. So the manifestation box, again, that one you get the bracelet, the necklace, the healing crystal, your astrology, what we're working with for the month, and the 2 meditation cards. That one is $39 month per month if you just do month per month. 3 months will bring it down to $36 per month. A 6-month plan will bring it down to $34. And if you go to a full 12-month plan, it'll bring your monthly box price down to $33 per box. The Mother Earth Wrap Club has the same pricing. Again, that one you just get the Mother Earth Wrap bracelet and some small little gift in that one as well, which I really love that she does add a little extra gift in there to surprise you. This one is month per month. It's $39. 3 months will bring it down to $36. 6 months will bring it down to $34. And a full 12-month plan will bring that down to $33 per box. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for both of these boxes. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.